Bad boys.
Jesus!
Peller na my car.
Calm down. If anything you do for my car, do for this car. May you know yourself. Anything you do.
Alpha, come here, Joe.
Come on here.
Alpha, you didn't mad. No, you match my car.
Bro, you don't tie me.
Alpha, go back. Go back.
Calm down. Now,
go back.
Call with the wash your car.
You didn't wash my car.
What you do for my
I wash your car.
Break my television.
I wash your own car.
No, let me.
I wash your car. 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 I wash your car.
Jesus! Oh my God, yeah!
Jesus!
You dey craze.
No, my motor today.
Yes, when the motor not struggle. Don't please.
See, Peller, they match my car with key. Peller!
Jesus, this thing don't go down. It don't go down.
Peller, see what you do.
Jesus!
Now we lost screen.
Peller,
you guys.
See when you match my car don't go down. That thing don't go down.
Nah, lie never go down. Don't go down.
Don't go down now.
Yes, I go pay. So that be your friend. I go pay. I go pay. I'm your friend. You know, say this friendship just started. I see you don't come up. Now 2025, you don't know what God will do you. Calm down.
Guy, this is all.
Peller will love what you do for him. God bless.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice one.
Anything you do for my motto.
Baba, go break your glass.
I go break your own too. Don't try that thing. Don't go break glass.
I go break. You guys, you joke.
Don't go break glass. You go regret to. Better one.
Alpha, give me this. Get my this today.
See.
Get my phone.
You dey hear me?
Get my own phone. Get my phone. Oh boy.
21 years.
Yes.
I'll be 21.
So thank you for the sub. Alpha.
Yeah, I'll be 21 years
Alpha,
in 1 month.
Alpha, where's the location? My bro, they all.
500 kill. I won't bet your limit. Calm down. Calm down.
You won't bet my limit.
Yes.
You won't bet my limit. 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 Go punish you.
No, don't leave me to.
You dey craze.
It's good. They love this slap.
Bro, I will slap you again. If care is not taken, I will slap you again. If care is not taken again, I will slap you again. I will slap you again.
This girl take follow us. Sorry, sir.
No race, you will not be. Alpha, where we won't go race?
Calm down, another place. No, listen.
Alpha, where your TV you?
Calm down. Big baby, won't go help us.
Where your TV you?
That's it. Big baby, where's the
Alpha, where your TV you?
He never come. He said next week Monday he go Cameroon. Yes, now.
So no service now. Who dey Cameroon won't serve your TV?
No, who be this one? Now big baby now.
Quiet your mouth.
You don't teach him. You will not teach us. This guy na DVD. He no want teach us. You don't want to teach us how to do the
Jesus Christ.
People do it for them.
We need Mary here. Go collect your free food. Alpha guy. My mind still dey tell me. Go down. Alpha, this thing still go down.
It still go down. I swear. Don't much. But you know to show. You know to show.
Don't my people don't do your own.
W leak in the fucking shop.
I swear my prick be like this.
But you know we are boxer.
Kata, go hire professional camera. No worry, I go. Alpha, now which location we can go now?
You know this road. You see this road?
Which road?
This road like this.
Yes.
From that place, if you go like this, go down. From that down. We will turn them like this. See, I'm Carterefe. We will turn them like this. Road. First person to get back to that place.
Don't party all this place now.
And now be the sweetest.
You dey craze? No, I'm not fit.
We not fit do that.
We are not fit.
Calm down. No, it's not that about running. Their running is the same thing. So it's about calculating. If you break your bumper, you break it. If I break my bumper, I break it. It's like a danger. You come here, give us a
Thank you for the song. Jesus.
Hey, God,
Alpha Chad.
I know do am.
Mumu, this fella.
Fella, remember that prophet.
Fella cow.
Jesus, wait. Jesus. Ah, mashallah. Jesus.
Okay.
This guy see me.
Mad.
Wait till so. Yeah. Mashallah. Mashallah, no, I beg.
Your father.
Mashallah, I beg.
I go kill you.
Jesus.
I go.
Yeah. Oh, Father, no. Jesus. Jesus.
Go punish you. You.
Jesus. Where did be this?
Bella.
The breaker, which kind of people believe? Yes! You don't stop!
They gotta go.
Jesus! Yes! Jesus!
You don't finish it. You don't finish it.
Sir, please!
You spray my motor. You spray my motor. Don't finish my car. Lock the gate. They'll kill you today.
Hey Joe. Beg, they don't carry
They will
gun.
shoot you.
God forbid. They don't shoot anybody. Jesus. When you see don't become serious, they don't funny again.
Shut up your
They don't
mouth.
funny again.
They carry any of the car come off for you.
Beg.
See the way they match my car. See the way they match my car.
Beg now.
Bro, get la beg, jailer. Get me jailer.
Oh my God. Jesus. Why did they throw like this? Why did they make person cough? Now tear gas. Jesus. When person wey gas like this one.
Mash motor where they just give me.
Now die you. Me take peller say me calm down. He talk too much. That man feel use vex.
When I just come mash my car.
Jesus, mashallah. Can we then give you which day? Jesus, and they talk and say that today you go spoil that cow. Jesus, I swear, we don't happy. Him money go vex so.
Pela game my do.
Bring my car. Okay, don't vex.
I swear, kid don't para.
Jesus. Now Carter start go punish you. Where anybody who doesn't have me starter, now go punish that person.
Jesus, I beg. We don't want to shoot gun. This time.
Boy, Pella, no good ever do things with Pella. Jesus Christ. Pella na bad luck.
Una combo,
Pella na bad luck.
Una combo crazy.
Pella na bad luck.
I just say na banga. Now when you say person don't carry gun, na once I move. With my mama last born, I beg.
Na lie you.
Hey God.
See, maybe we go. They don't say the soldier people, they will gather the people.
Kata, maybe they go, maybe we move.
Peller na very bad person. Peller na bad person. Shebi na your plan be that, abi?
Or the thing just escalates.
Kata, wetin dey happen? Jesus Christ.
That car pain. Mash the glass.
Get after you.
I swear, I just.
Alpha, this motor, this one you do swear for my life. After today, I know they ever they do anything with you.
Who want to do something with you?
Give me chance.
Who want to do something with you?
Give me chance. You be very bad person.
Yes.
Who say they go allow you carry the car come out?
Kata, you be bad person. Everywhere go first blow.
Small kid, they worry Kata.
Guys, see him.
Peller wine now.
Which one be Peller wine and that one you see? I beg, make Kata come up for that place.
Baba, see, I beg, give me chance with your Samsung. Now TV you are the use. I beg.
Don't please.
Don't please.
Don't please. Go to our TV, I beg.
Hey, go.
Mark.
This is no fun.
Jerry. Jerry.
No sharp. No sharp.
When I like this thing now, I don't have.
I swear.
Now go flow all this. Now all this money we wanna gather to just spend that here. You say now we wanna give for we for don't even dey at this.
I beg.
Bro, Peller open mouth say my car too soft too. God dey now spoil my car.
Now don't try to get better car. I beg. Kata.
See this bastard.
Yes, sir.
Peller na very bad luck. Peller na bad luck. Peller, I know now you talk and say you call me yesterday night. Say we could link up.
Inside my house. Just drive fast and
This is usually Peller. Who send me? Peller bro, the moment that
Jesus, they don't post them.
Jesus.
They don't post them.
where that guy did? Alpha, open
No, they don't talk to me that time.
My love. Like say man,
Who send me to go follow Peller the YouTube? Yeah? Waiting.
Who they carry this motor come out?
Peller. Alpha, what happened? Make Peller go first. Your father and they go together and come and Peller follow corner.
Toyota, na convoy go make sense now. On this kind screen breaking so.
The source go repair your. This gonna bastard.
Go to.
You don't see the way Peller take match my motor? He match you on top.
He jump on top. Don't be saying match on top. He jump on top.
You know say
Who dey talk that?
When they jump on top. You don't.
Shall see the way Peller just come, go they jump on top my car.
Start time now. Now
why
Peller
not
start
carry
time.
jail? You can't do this play.
Now Peller start time.
Peller, now go punish you because you know say I no get second motor. Because you know say I no get second motor.
Omo. They don't dey report us. They don't dey report us.
Open gate for her now.
Who they stop the gate?
Who dey there? Alpha. Open gate where they go. Kata.
Yes.
Congratulations.
New motor. New motor.
But the thing no sharp.
I dey very happy.
Alpha, give me clothes, give me clothes. Alpha, kid, give me clothes. Alpha, give me clothes, give me clothes. I'm not sure whether I'll fear this.
You sure say we go fit sit down inside this car?
I'm not fear this last one. This Peller, bro. This Peller, if I ever do anything with Peller again,
Now slippers be this one.
me go punish you.
Why you suppose bite?
Alpha, give me a hand. If I do anything with Peller again, me go punish me. The last time when I do stream for this boy house, he scatter my forehead.
Mo wà níbi tí wọ́n yìnbọn gọ̀ọ̀sẹ̀ wọ́n yìnbọn sókè ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn fẹ́ ká bọ́ta wọ́n fi túlé tó. Mo wà níbi tí Carterefe mú mi wá mi ò mú rò pé òun ló ní.
Gọ́tà mọ́.
They talk say mumu. Okay, they tell them say you don't know where it dey.
Alpha
Say
guy,
they don't.
call wetin they call am. Make they call this thing. Make they call wetin they call am.
That man dey report us. Who dey go?
Jesus.
That man dey call person dey report.
Somebody go because that man blessing won't carry me officers.
Alpha, kid. Abeg, calm down. Come, man. I want to tell you something.
Please, Ajay.
With the shit now, come now. Leave Peller alone.
Kid, I beg.
Leave Peller.
Omo, this cameraman you go
Alpha, why you no allow Peller come
yeah,
out?
you get beef before.
Gate no gree open again.
Padlock don't spoil.
Padlock don spoil. Na outside we go see. Omo. This car pay me. God.
Alpha.
We for use go on play.
Jerry. Where Jerry dey?
Alpha guy. Do you know what you say?
I swear they don't dey call person.
Some men don't come.
They dey call
Baba, now
person.
this thing now wetin concern me. Now they kid.
Padlock don't stick for there.
I don't know why anytime I do something with Peller now regret I must regret.
Una combo. You know rhyme, you know align at all.
Jesus Christ. Jesus. I swear to God, he made me. Big boy come here. First of all, I take go the match on top of my motor. Winning money first game. Why you go just get a mad person motor?
Why another person? People they find rescue. People they find this motor like.
Omo. Jesus. Hi. Ciao.
Hey, Bella.
What's in go?
Who they say go send? Who is send money to?
They say you go send money before you go.
Why is send money to that?
They don't move on. What's in low? They go keep for this car. Now what for you? No day here, oh. You know day here, sir. Okay. Now your car, your phone they break like this.
Alpha, baby, Peller, they go now. Peller, they go.
See, your phone screen don't break. They don't shut down. I don't first use fear. Oh, you
Who
first.
they collect money for their hand?
Oh, now wow. These people they para.
Your people
Any
collect
small
am.
opportunity
Me, they lock
like
the
this.
gate, lock the gate.
I swear.
But I don't turn it. Now one go house and I come through.
You don't turn
Alpha,
chaos.
guy. Alpha, bro, if I know they end this live stream, I did this live stream till tomorrow.
Ajay. Cameraman. They say me
Alpha,
move you want.
let me give me water,
They say
give me
you want
water,
the
give me water.
static.
Give me water.
They
I
are
need
swearing
water,
for
I
you,
need
I
water.
swear. They don't use swear finish this guy.
Ah, bro, if I this thing let me show say let me show say if I do anything with Peller again, may God punish you. Now he call me.
And he just won't do your own back. Oh. As Peller climb the car, I say me climb back. So you know I'm block enter. Jesus, na so block just take enter. Oh.
Now Peller don't get. Now wetin plan come do because he mainly just enter. Now wetin go start to dey jump for Machalaka.
Huh? Hey, bring her come outside now.
Ice cream water.
Don't shut down.
I swear, they know they carry am.
If not this one, wetin you go do?
Go pack their two motor because you go collect their house key self.
Oh boy, yo.
So now try.
Bro.
I dey sell scream o.
Which one be say camera gear? Abeg go, no be me dey camera. No be me dey hold camera. Who be camera gear?
Oh boy. Jesus, now they go visit and me face spoil in motor.
Another thing once.
I know this.
It takes down top.
Abeg go.
WBBS spoil our
Now first read W the popping chapter.
Jesus.
Now first read W the popping chapter. Be this one.
I swear.
Alpha, see, Alpha guy.
Wait, they don't know clip
Get me
on.
come mechanic.
My help you call mechanic.
I beg, get me come mechanic.
Na mechanic dem dey here.
Let me come mechanic now. Me they carry and come out. This motor like this, they must not see him. That part go. I don't see Peller they hate on me.
Now wetin na him plan be that?
Sure.
Na him plan be that.
I don't see Peller they hate on me and he call me this midnight. They do like say he won't come do better thing. First of all, when he first come see my car, they march on top.
Na very anyhow character be that. Na sister they don dey carry am put am for
I
head.
swear, they
Half
don't
an hour,
know
kid.
now.
Give me water now. Chat, won't go eat.
Maybe.
Chat, won't go eat free food. Chat, I will not do anything with Peller. I don't have any apology to tell you guys. But I'm not going. I promise you guys that I will never do anything with Peller again in my life. I swear to God who made me.
Where's the food? Where's the food?
Where is food?
All the food is coming. Don't believe it.
Shall it be Jesus?
Who is this?
Yeah, now Jesus be this. Jesus, solve me now, see whether na you. Solve me now, like this man, see whether na you.
We don't know.
Jesus Christ.
Bring the food.
Jesus. Shout, I'm very sorry, shout, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, I swear. It's not going to happen again. Peller, but I promise you guys that if I do anything with Peller again, if I do anything with Peller, any joint collaboration with Peller, anything I'm looking for, I should not see. Peller is a bad luck. W bad luck. I dey be. You see me, oh.
Himself, you see me.
I beg, I dey kneel down, shout. Should I stand up? Should I stand up? Should I stand up? I'm sorry. Show my leg, make them sit at the kneel down, oh. Shout, should I stand up? If you want me to stay here till tomorrow morning, I will stay here. Shout.
No worry, the car will go repair am, no worry.
No lie.
No, small thing.
Jesus, he say he go repair am for us.
Small thing go repair am, no. That's something.
Mado. Jesus, Peller, na God go punish your mama and your papa. I just spoil my own car. When you want making money, invest for me. Now so they go dey spoil your things when they give you.
Amen.
God, thank God, say I need down. Shout, have you guys forgiven me? Shout, have you guys forgiven me? Have you guys forgiven me? Shout, have you guys forgiven me? Have you guys forgiven me? Yes or no? Yes or no? I beg, it will not happen again. Peller. God,
they say yes. They don't forgive you. They don't forgive you.
You sure?
They say maybe don't try him again.
I beg. I promise you guys, before next tomorrow, you guys will see the motto. I beg, in a good feelings. I beg. You forgive me, yes or no? W, yes or no? W, yes or no?